Wagwan ENT.
Coming. Enough DJ coming, see? Now you come and I play. The man called Al Campbell said speed. I know when the man called Pompidou just come in, see? Run style and live in the body, see? Kind of not check police about the business, see? Man called Al Campbell selection. And remember next week man called Kingston. And the man like the Colonel. Al Campbell says every time. Long no mercy.
She said she like it like that. Slim, gotta know me the fast. I'm on a ride in the rhythm track.
And I respect the fat shop. Come for the last 20 years, I played don't play them draw. Last I know.
She have become a me boy. Must come on me.
Old time Brigadier.
Through the system nowadays, the woman and the girls them stray far away. I'm don't watch what the people say.
Apprentice respect, see? No. No, you come part two. Saying, and we'll take Super Cat, I bring it down. Here the 6 belong to you. See? So come in, you lead this year. Play by the king for love is all I'm bring. Play by number 7 so don't world. Yes, up in this, don't come in this, up in this. Don't come in on this, me call it. Don't distress it, I say don't distress it. No, don't distress it, I say don't distress it. Yes, don't distress it, I say please respect it. Yes, Papa Reggae going to ram up in this. Long with Super Cat to come for cock up in this. Long with early beam, I've got lyrics. Yes, Junior Cat and him not talk and miss. Second me selector when you second and miss. Them your DJ can't short circuit. When I use half a battery and we don't can switch. Inna this, we're going to ram up inna this. Inna this, we're going to ram up inna this. Cause yes, Papa Briggy said them know you have a fit. Yes, Super Cat you have a physical fit. Yes, early B you have the physical fit. Along with Barry J, you have a physical fit. Wake up now the morning and they make a couple skip. But yes, Papa Briggy now the same take a dip. And when him come out of Gaza, don't distress it and me say please respect it. Yes, don't distress it and me say don't distress it. If you're happy and you love it, it's a job come this. Now I know what's up and things like that. Yes, Indian. I respect you to you this year. See? Enough. But respect you to the man that ruled last year, Brigadier. Respect to the Colonel. See? Well, self-praise and a recommendation. Try leave myself to just, see? What a agony, ooh, what a agony. Say what a agony, ooh, what a agony. Say what a agony. Yes. Who goes here? Doctor on the ward, no. Peninsular and Fensick, man. Cafanel. See? That's the last time, bless you. None of style I know latest release. I know now rush it. I didn't have to take it, see? What a agony. What a agony. Say what a agony, ooh, what a agony. Doctor, what a agony, ooh, what a agony. Briggy, what a agony, ooh, what a agony. Cat, what a agony, ooh, what a agony. Well, now the race is over, them me take it surely be. Me take it from the 4 and now me win from the 3. Come me coming from a London with a different rod. But a DJ way I test me, I go start get mad. Me work hard for me, tackle it's not up for no grab. No DJ. Take it and come make me feel Lord have mercy. Well, if Sally when I take and kill Chaplin this year, send him in a racehorse business. Although and I love him still. Lord, because me coming from a London with a different rod. With a DJ way I cuss me, I go start get mad. Me work hard for me title, it's not up for no grab. No DJ now go take it and come make me feel sad. When me jump on stage, everybody feel glad. Me look like Selassie, I me talk like God. In a 85 me take the shot like piece of old rag. With a DJ way I cuss me, I go creep like crab. I hide me up in a crocus bag. You know say early big aim is a discipline. Let me have the most dangerous weapon anytime me a tried. The loving of me heart and the words of God. What a agony, ooh, what a agony. Say what a agony, ooh, what a agony. But then me never get me rod from the Queen of England. Me get it from some queer tribe, dreadlocks man. Say ungo for me lyrics can come in a nation. Say go and use my lyrics through the Queen of England. And use it on Paul and Reagan weapon. And use it and sink all effective weapon. No rockers come and name me 85 champion. I thank Brigadier and the one general. I thank Super Cat as the young in day and again. Old chaplain and time foot and him and I take him to a Baba man will live a new land. Him get him like so separate religion. I hate him and use it the things that wrong. I talk about it belly and bottom. Now a man like chaplain don't go see Rasta man. What a agony, ooh, what a agony. Say is agony, is agony. What a is agony, agony. Come in, Papa Briggy. Yes. We three, hold them tight. The God, the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Ghost, man. Alright, now Indian and Curly. Not going to cut the seas, you can't safe. Yes. Help me, lion. Good day, my brethren. Good day, my friend. Good day, Ocho people. I'm glad to be in a Ocho Rios again. My mama ball up, mix it down. I don't want to walk, but I want to pump, but it's in bed. Even who will tell me that, but only old time daddy. Never talk to me, but about me, mommy, mommy, daddy. Never talk to me about me. I'm gonna me, I just. Yes, 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 man. Lord of mercy. Rough. Good night, my brethren. Good day, my friend. Early bee and the cat, I'm glad to see you alive again. But don't stop. She ball out. I want to walk through a pumpkin belly. Ooh, that old granny. Never me, mommy, daddy, never me. Also no daddy. Born out something like we used to gotta bring it. Now we're gonna be that. Recess. Oh, he's so fine. Can you cook the best I can? That's one. One special customer can get it. Well, now we're foreign now here, sir. Sin, foreign. All your lyrics there, Rambo. All of it on to bed, man. Sin, yes, man. They call it Rampo. Rambo be ramp. I'm a jump out on the policeman block. My truck and then me take a sledgehammer. I'm a lick up on the camp. Jump up me test and then me tell them how me ramp. In the generality, turn on to the topic. Ramp. Now me dash ready Rambo and holy ninja. That's when the Rambo and holy ninja. So the sick him come and brings up Mr. Down and China. With him mama on his bed, his shoulder on his shoulder. And you wheel. Yes. I'm coming now, doctor. Yes. He's the brigadier. All up. Yes. All up. Rastafari, I know. Play it again, man. Selassie, I pick the rule in it. Yes, Rastafari, I know that. No respect due to Uncle Barry, I know how the crowd feel away. Cause from 2 o'clock Uncle Barry at work. At least some 9, cause the man the big. See? Easy, man. No Rasta pick the jump up into this. See? Kinda ain't left Rasta business alone. Lord of mercy. Galang, 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 hey. Ribby bang, king. Me say as a little youth, they not go feed the Rasta man. But my man used to tell me them a black heart man. Say they can't come and sit back and them free the Babylon. Them don't live a house, say them live a old land. Say them we cut off me yet put in a cursing pan. But no make a man make it we understand. Say I'll pull up and select you. Yes. Alright. Now remember next week, a King Stitch. Do anything you want, man. Next week, a King Stitch and the Colonel. If you want to play it 1,000 times, Jack Ruby have $1,020 for me. So don't worry yourself. Sing because you're safe. Don't worry yourself, Jack, I will love you. I can be. Sister Ruby. Yeah, man. Never mind all a girl, man.
Well, doctor, you go and bust them shot now, you know. No style. Play by the king of Zala, bro.
Now see more. Hold yourself a girl, man. No respect. See? Every man to a thing. To a thing. What type part of the crew? Bust them shot. All up. Now them say you ramp with a married woman. You shot boss. Some in a ramp them with it. Now he come and I play part 2. All up select and give me a decent start. I went straight up on the mixer scene. Kinda you gonna slash the business. Scene. Now when them was a come, I just rasta me deal it. I ain't in the camouflage girl pick the business. See? Yes. Go on, style trade. Galang, 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 galang. Baby, bang. Still I say visit 3 here for only 3 days. Him come in a April, him not come in a May. Every factory long, don't know every game stop play. Man stop on stick, ya no man a fling with every day. Pure sense him in a spliff and chalice bun all day. Ethiopian Orthodox and 12 tribes drum a play. Say thousands of people line up along the highway. Heads of government, police and military. When Selassie show himself, say every man start pray. Say 10,000 guns a pipeline right away. 21 guns salute. Him it is. I'll pull up and select you. Selassie, Rastafari. Respect you. What I bring it, Kayana, father? Yeah. It was the year 1966 when Selassie I made a visit. We say Rasta make the Babylon them look like rubbish. One thousand of people that I know the crowd take. It was good with them but the rain did that drip. We say every dreadlock and them a bun ganja slave. Say when the plane land me hear the Rasta music. Say rain stop fall, rainbow come quick. Up on the plane wing a flock of white bird pitch. Selassie come out and with him lion and his stick. In a military cruise and with the sword for the babe. He was a small man about 4 foot 6. Babylon them have to run. Them couldn't stand it because the airport come like Rasta district. We say thousand naturalists, we say thousand asleep. We say Lassie I speak, him no speak English. Yes, he speak the language called the Arabic. Babylon them get on fighting, Babylon start panic. Cause when it come to language I don't know 66. No me run on me yard and me reach a stadium. For yes, Lassie not the Babylon kingdom. We say Rasta ball it and me say Ulan young. And me say Unong I'm no sit them sit down on the ground. I was a small man but me have me wisdom. We say fussing on me like me see so much ganja. But we say pull up me select a Reggae lyrics can't dance. Say come in Papa Reggae.
Now you go Brigadier run up and down pan with the man. Walk sweet and nice man. Now let off no fat job. Hold tight. Hold tight. Down the mercy. The golden egg. Alright, my golden egg. Think I talk, I wanna dance a different thing. The blaze like a golden. Yes. Ease, man. Fresh. Fresh, man. But right now, the doctor, you know, so respect you every time. Super cat, you know that too, car. We didn't the same union. You know styler. She bound loud, ticka, talk, come on, golden, and come on. She lay your leg for the gentleman. Sometime 9, sometime 1,010. Yeah, come on. And every little time of to make her out loud. She say, ego. I know she. Recess. A little down, Demons. Junior. Yes, teacher, Reggae. The last time I was so do it. When you saw the teacher saying, I'll take a talk, my golden end. When I come to Demons, I start here again. Words and promising. Channel. Me say take a talk, me say Demons a chant. Me say take a talk, me say Demons a chant. Me say bring it kinda brown, me say Demons a black. Cap up on your chat, me a go still not go stop. Me a go tell you how the police them track. Me a go tell you how the police them track. Jama for me say 2 round a front, me say 2 round a back. Me say no surplus out like them want fire shot. Me cap up on your shot, you know me still not go stop. For me lost John a Demons, you know me have a chat. Some sensible and some of them cracks. And the one early bee and the one super cat. Forward operator to the very last stop. Me say go on, Mr. Demons, the game of the clock. A crowd of people, them a fi rock. Me say early bee did that better than the one super cat. Upa Demons and Reggae and I Jonah Lap. For lyrics like this and me say man where me got. When me play them from the bottom and they reach at the top. No go on, for Demons say bound a picture. Me say man down in a pants and woman in a frock. Every time I saw me chat a crowd of people say you Tio! Oh here come the book daddy man, come down soca cat. Now I have to bring down the big Dan Bargy, can you hear me now? Respect you. 1,000%. Now come down Bargy.
Arms out spaces on the stage. Easy.
And pull the selector, say it, all and pull. Well, hear me now. All and pull. Well, hear me now. I want to just go along a nice little bit and think, cause that's the last year I come for preach. See? DJ business discover job. And I read that. Ragamuffin, so let have a selector. Don't disturb the vibes. Just respect it cause you request it. Easy super cat and me say he's in a man. Easy Mr. Cat and me say he's in a man. Settle Boba Friggy, yes me know him a the dan. Anyway me pass show session for ram. Yes, see Apache oh him favor Jaja. Yes, see Briggy oh him favor Jaja. Me no deal with Lucifer, me say me check for Rasta. The king and when me pray to them I call him Jaja. Them listen super cat and nice up the area. Yes, see Jaja there, oh see him Barry. Yes, see Jaja there, oh see him Briggy. Me say oh see me, see the rest can't see him. They say East. I'll pull up the selector. Now if you want the Zion, and I will control them to the soul of fire. A 2 band the one dwelling to the microphone tower. Man called Anwed Rose, Anton Rose, Rubber Dub Style. Yes.
Man, you cannot reap what you never sow. Dance all business, no one so make them go and talk. Chew them off mouth for talk, yeah. Make them go and talk. Show them how much we talk. I know, because my real one song.
Special request of folks who used to buy my food for a long time when I come and watch you. A Rockford Massive, the safe. Yes.
Got to prepare the place before you walk. Walk and talk, which I love in your heart. And make them go and talk. Show them how mouth we talk, yeah. Make them go and talk. Show them how mouth we talk. I know you coulda kick up like a bull cow in a pen. Roar like a lion in the lion's den.
This is my desire, and also love is most with pleasure. So make them talk, just because them have a lot of mouth we talk. We don't talk, but they gotta say.
Nice of the land, I know what it a tongue, make the cow can't talk. Man, I mean, just no shadow of a dark. Got to prepare the place before you walk. Walk and talk, which I love in your heart. And make them go and talk. Show them how mouth we talk, yeah. Make them go and talk. Show them how mouth we talk. I know you coulda kick up like a bull cow in a pen. Roar like a lion in the lion's den. Tell it to your enemy and tell it to your friend. Lord,
move it, brother. Move it.
And make them go and talk.
I'm called by with you, big lads on the area. I like super cat, your patchy rider. I'm man called the young time, we the general Zamzi. You know.
So little Miss Mary, why can't she?
I read the fat job, but you done fat long time. Well, Jack Ruby, you're safe. Kind of your son up playing like that, son of your own yard. Proud of you, man. You're safer than the Harley pitching in the yard. Yes? Alright, we don't style here. They go work in the whole days when man used to chant them Bible from back to front. Yes? You don't start. Oh Father, be merciful unto anyway when I cry. But the Lord God to Rastafari and said unto I. Once again, man. Yes. Father, be merciful unto anyway when I cry for the Lord God to Rastafari and said unto I. What I son this day and might gotten day. Who is the prophet? I had dreadlocks long time already. Why you there, born, man? Yes. Crazy, man. You know that? Long time. You don't start, Lord of mercy. Come in a dance, we jump and pass. Come on, come in a dance, we jump and pass. Hey, come in a dance, we jump and pass. Now what someone go and see and them a fling things along. So hit the general and come for nice up the dance. Listen early, be in come for tell you what I go now. Here up a check at him at the dance and at the land. Come say, come in a dance, come quick jump and catch it. Come in a dance, come quick jump and front. Love it like a mommy, love it like a daddy, mommy, sister, mommy, brother, mommy, sister, mommy. Now come in down.
Yes. Easy reggae. Well, I respect you every time. All up, boss. Selassie, ease up, selector. Ease up. No, I ain't no shame for talk. I ain't no shame for telling people them brigadier are the best in the business. See? I know a father, Rastafari, I know. So fling it. Yes. Let come on and show some style and kid to all the nice people them. See? Old child Barry G. Kind of your category, you can't stop get rock up trophy. You're big. Yes. Jacko may play when a place like Ochi. Lord, galang, hey, we will be done. Ribby bang stick, no me come into you and you see me medical kit. We walk up on the human, me say evil rabbit. Say second for me patient, me say don't get panic. The doctor make a cut and then they put it in a face. We put it in a stitch, you know your body have to fit. We come and watch me have to reach back quick. Cause when me leave things on every woman get sick. When a man in Kingston, don't let me take my trip. Come, ready for them, we ready for them. Hey, ready for them, we ready for them. Don't you know say Papa Brigade say them ready for them. Yes, you know say Super Captain say them ready for them. Don't you know say Ban Regime say them ready for them. Car, ready for them, we ready for them. Hey, ready
ready for them, we ready for them. When me come from foreign, me have a medical kit. If you walk up on the human, me say even rabbit. Say second for me patient, me say don't panic. The doctor make a cut and then they put it in a stitch. They put it in a stitch, you know your body have a fit. Ready for them, we ready for them. Got the pineapple massive, we ready for them. The rank forward massive, we ready for them. The OT massive, them have we ready for them. You know say Papa begging, have we ready for them. Papa begging, I can't come forget them problem. Ready for them, we ready for them. Hey, ready for them, we ready for them. Now we jump into Jamaica, so you know we have to fit. Say yes, Jack Ruben with that Chris music. Along with Far Jam, I say down in my play it. But reaching you know living, you try to good lyrics. Ready for them, we ready for them. I want to dedicate it to all the people who love them culture. Sing.
Get in the water.
I'm here for it, I want you to settle like water in a cake. Yeah. Lord of mercy. Play by the king full of Zala bring. Free Mandela, you be free Mandela. President Puta, you be free Mandela. Wawa. Free Mandela, you be free Mandela. President Puta, you be free Mandela. Cause him never rob no man or commit no murder. Him a go top him right and lick out the sufferer. The wicked never like to hear the righteous utter. They lock him down tight like rat under cellar. I'm take it from the cat, they be a back rider. Second.
Addis Ababa International.
I also work up a foot like the Chinaman and look at Japan, see? So hold tight, come with us a warm up. There comes to a version called Reggae from Alexandria. Hold tight. Yeah. Free Mandela, you be free Mandela. President Puta, you be free Mandela. Wawa. Free Mandela, you be free Mandela. President Puta, you be free Mandela. Cause him never rob no man or commit no murder. Don't go top him right and lick out the sufferer. The wicked never like to hear the righteous sucker. So them lock him down tight like rat under cellar. Don't take it from the cat, the beer back rider. And anyway me go me up a preach culture. We all country, England are the mother. But what them go to feed them as South Africa. Why America and Russia go join together? Circle. 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 Play by the bounce, they want to get around. Play by the much I'm so all while.
Watch it, what you pass it. The one super cat just a warm up. Watch it, what you pass it. The one super cat just a warm up. Cultural lyrics of flow, more like a stage show. Reggae, cat, the doctor on the go.
How is it select the kind of banner of Selassie and all that? Yes. Play by the bounce, they want to get around. Play by the much I'm so all while. Yes, rock and come in, you better rock and come in. Play by the much I'm so all while. Play by the king full of Zala bring. Yes, rock and come in, you better rock and come in. Rock and come in, you better rock and come in. If you is a rich man, drive your limousine. Stop a gas station and buy gasoline. This is super cat around the music machine. Yes, one sister Pat and the one Christine. All them have to do, them have to rock and come in. When me go me bed, I me now have no wet dream. Me now go live on the housing scheme. Fling away me clocks and me clocks in lean. Now wear me pants if it have a double seam. I wear my shirt if my shirt don't clean. But that's up the scene, me coffee nice off the scene. Yes, that's up the scene, me better nice off the scene. Jack Ruby posse, if you rock and come in. It's a super cat around the music machine. Come in and the dance so you could see what I mean. Only Barry J could have nice off the scene. Along with Papa Biggie make them rock and come in. First time bad girl it was submachine. You could laugh at that you get the M16. But this is Mr. Cat me come for. He's my selector. I'm poor with the life, play it. Now come down, Bargy.
And don't forget, next week, the one King Stitch, the ugly one, along with Josie Whale together. Fat Jar, the selector, son of the Hala, watch out, spread out, scatter, the one, Jacoby High Power, Musical Tower.
Respect is due to whom is due, it must go through. The one Michael Prophet, you bet. Another one to your chest from the Fat Jar selection. Ow!
Tell me why music sweet so the young girls love it from the mid to them toe. Tell me why music sweet so the young girls love it from the mid to them toe. So come in and make we do the bubbling. Come in and make we do the jumping. Ooh, why you like ya? Touch me back and touch me belly, girl. When you ready, you come dance with me. Touch me back and touch me belly, girl. When you ready, you come dance with me. Just put one hand in the air, one hand for me waist. Move your whip to the drum and the bass, girl. Move your whip, but nothing else. Just touch me back and touch me belly.
Michael Prophet selection, the feeling away the.
I beg you, little young man, wanna school. You know why? You're going to learn to read and write. And we're gonna you write a love letter tonight. You're writing to Pauline, Beverly, and Gwen. And you tell them you watch all the water out of the well. I'm coming down. Yes. Well, tranquilize them and hold tight. Well, I could draw the school business, Reggae. Respect due to every time. See? And them style of value, them will love learn. Education style. Lord of mercy. What a blessing when you learn your lesson. I tell you what a blessing when you learn your lesson. Catch it now. Come and say 2 times 3. Them call it 6. Right 2, 4, 8. And you must get a take. Fuck on us a first give a hexagon of 6. I must miss a nail a bust up them your lyrics. You never know me pass whole level English. You doing English, you have to do a praise. Then give you 50 would you cut it down to 20. Say masculine a man and feminine a lady. Say singular and one and plural a plenty. Say teacher a full up the what a blessing when you lose. Fire. Yes. Father and the Son, man. Jesus. Yes. Now come in, Super Cat. Ceasefire. Now it's no need a DJ interfere in cat business because me and the brigadier give him the authority to take the title this year. See? All I pull the selector, will you hear me now? This one request to the man that will love sleep. Overestimate and thing, and when you love sleep in the next door, shut eye country. Murder style. Now I'm just work up a sweat, you know the Apache coming like a dump at you. If you don't work up a sweat, I can't talk it right and direct. Put the buy number 1. Put the buy one down. Easy Mr. Cat for come and know you want it done. Anyway you pass through session of a ram, yes. Come catch your shot tie, come catch your shot tie, but bye bye. Come catch your shot tie, come catch your shot tie, but bye bye. Come catch your shot tie, come catch your shot tie. Yes, them keeping a dance and me a pencil. East. Circle. And have fun. Now please, it's just as guys you requested, so respect it. Sail. Blame the song called Jack Go International, famous for the partial. Murder style. Put the buy number 1. Put the buy, brigade, they done. Put the buy, barrier, they done. Put the buy, Catima, they done. Anyway, me pass through a session of a ramp. Come get your shot tie, Put the buy, come get your shot tie, Yes, them keeping a dance in a shot tie country. We restart the dance, you have to Danbury. And which party give them me a pen cemetery. Before 8 o'clock, the dance ramp already. Cause the ghosts them are right, from 7:30. East. Now, Mr. Selector, hear me now. Mr. Selector, I don't want you mix me like you're nervous, you know. Hear me now. Easy. Put the buy number 1. It's so pocket around the microphone stand. Anyway, me pass through session of rap. You know, some proper big game a Rasta man. And the one bar receiver on radio station. Listen, Jack Ruby, you're the king champion. But come get your so tight, come get your so tight. Bye-bye, come get your so tight, come get your so tight. Listen, keeping a dance in a so tight country. We restart the dance, you feel the Danbury. And which party keep on me a pen cemetery. Before 8 o'clock the dance ram already. And the ghosts them a rise from 7:30. Them a come in a massive and them a come in a party. Some from Dovecat and some from Calvary. And the whole of them a come on me a pen cemetery. The sound we did a play was Black Harmony. And who a play the sound they go one Flopsy. The singer start sing the one Bob Marley. DJ a back him up and the one she play. East.
Addis Ababa International.
Don't take it out, Barry J, and play the original. Don't come down, Reggae. Yes. On some cat. I hear the 6 man, I can't stop you. I'm gonna ball to them ball blood. Yes. Lord of mercy. What's the name now? Where did I come from? Way back when. We gonna go tell them from way back when. Paul and Pauline was good friend. You still to live round like a burnt ten till she move and go round. Are you win then? Little of that Mr. She gonna make pen. She have a brother with them call Big Boy Glenn. Have a sister with them call name Gwen. So them have to draw water out of the well. She ball teeth and tongue. Then know it I go tell. Vikings, I and you gum wise well. Things say all of your teeth drop off of your head. We bad than them. Which plan with it? No Ocho Rios. Inna the big one music avenue. Place for them call Jack Ruby Lord. I play by the sound called Jack Ruby. I POWA. I POWA. Baby, go with the man Bobby G from JBC. Man Super Cat. Man called Earl B. Man called Juno Demons. Yes, and I am a down to bring his hours. Along the man called Fat, y'all. But we better than them. Better, yes, we better than them. Go to England, go ask my friend. Go to America, go ask my friend. Go to Canada, go ask my friend. Go to Holland, Mr. France and Germany again. Ask them if I and I no better than them. And the man Super Cat, come on, better than them. Early B, better than them. Man Barry G, better than them. Now come on Early B, because last year I work with the band. Yes. Enough love for that. See it? Hey, come on now. Hey, come on now, play. The man called Michael Prophet. Old tight to Uncle Barry. Yes. Last year.
Yes. Away you want to over there. Away you want to over there. Away you want to over there.
Say what?
Money goalie banking over there. Money goalie banking over there. Yeah.
Come in, dude.
200 lakhs and 11 ballets.
Lord of mercy.
Over the goalie banking. Away you think the one of them I do. It's just pure. The dread like the pipe out of the country fire strike. Them all of them, I well right. Boy, over the banking. Oh God, them say, boy, over the banking. See, and when you want to over there, and when you want to over there, find the banking over there, find the banking over there. Banking over there. Alright.
Michael Prophet says.
See, one thing that draw my attraction.
I will see we do. Jack Ruby wanted up front right now. Jack Ruby wanted by DJ God up front right now. Last ride. Don't come out and play part 2. And the answer man a cry if you apply. So come in.
Addis Ababa International.
Hold on there. Yeah, try show me says a buckle the man a blow. Virgin. Move out of the penny section, come in this direction. Throw it to the mid section from the buckle. Easy no sir. Rope in fat jar. Give me your instrumental draw, my virgin. Hold on now. Bird kid.
Well, the more dance enough royalty. And I know that. You have to pay the dance and get this enough money. Video them and video living. Yes? What is? If you ever bring him down again, and I will never bring him down a man, I will more build him up. See? So I go build you up. Come in. Well, it's my come like you want dance woman look like dance woman. Ottoman great. Selassie. Lord of mercy. Here we bang skip. Should have video them a video breaking. I should have video them a video barrage. I should have video them a video early baby. I should have video them a video party. Them say me I them come like a color TV. A nice lip face and a sexy front teeth. Me come like Jesus when me walk past street. A pure pretty girl come and hug up me feet. I watch you I ask with it. And talk to me land with it. And Barry T did it. And Poopa Briggy did it. I should have video them a video early me. I should have video them a video Barry G. I should have video them a video Briggy. The one Fatcha and the youth Apache. Hey, I will see why I see them. And we no gone away. Me see ballad and dreadlocks and black and white teeth. You know, so come along and listen Dante Bricky. Them saying what a lovely and a nice MC. Fly over the ocean. Reason.
What one?
Reason. Yes. Reason. Yes. No fat jive if you mix it down sweet and nice, you know, man. Cause after Briggy went to a dance last Saturday night. We said the dance all conk. What a dance all tight. Them is a two big fat flower dancer. Decide to break a fight. One with the ice brick, the other one she had a knife. But Mr. Good Thing Selassie send a Babylon inside. Him just mathematic, take away ice brick and take away a knife. Come on people, which part it happen? Hold beside a sound box. Boy yo, somebody that play Jack Ruby, me say I POWA.
Addis Ababa International.
And them is side cat and early B, I hear the general from afar. Them say come Papa Briggy, have you been? By all the bar, by all the bar, by all the bar, by all the bar, because I sentence with it. Yes, cat. Send in the face, send in the face, because the doctor in the operating theater. Now the doctor come for walk up on your instructor. Say the doctor in the operating. Yes. Pull up and select you. Come in. The Marco Michael Prophet selection I play.
Man wants stay east and shoot men west. Man wants stay north and shoot men south. Them the boy they don't know when to lock them out. Alright, everywhere you go, gunshot, a liquor bound. Oh gosh, cease fire. Nowadays, men cease fire. Nowadays, you know your culture.
Like a part to stand up for the king full of Zal and bring. Now keep on listening till I tell you. All that man coming on strong like a bomb. Play with the one champion for Marshall and Marshall. Michael Brigadier the General. Along with the man called Little Bit the Doctor. Michael Prophet say. Little man of Kingston keep on dubbing down the message every hour. Why you tell me where them fighting for? Papa Brigade tell me where them fighting for. Early B come tell me where them fighting for. Barry J come tell me where them fighting for. Me say them down fight for your house, money, love, dark car. And every day them get up on a bus, seller. Them driving from Kingston to Savlama. And them not driving a bus and them a drive rent a car. And youth like them me and them can't spar. Me tell you Papa Brigade him a born superstar. Along with Super Cat and him a born superstar. But I love me and deal with me, not deal with no war. When me spot the war, me say me have to stay far. Come tell me what they fighting for. And Papa Brigade tell me what they fighting for. And Barry J come tell me what they fighting for. But I say war, war, war. Everywhere me go, just I know what being war. It's how me say war in the east, west, north and south. And the bad boy come and never run up them out. But Super Cat and Papa Brigade say them now go back out. And then where we go, we say we have fish account. Yes, from an plan and me say gotta wipe out. This a Jack and Ruby say him come forget them out. Don't tell me where they fighting for. Beep. You better tell me where they fighting for. Beep. For me say double A-R, that a war. Yes, and I say B-A-R, that a bar. Yes, and I say C-A-R, that a car. Me say the man Papa Brigade him a born superstar. Along with Mr. Cat and him a born superstar. Love how we a deal with, we not deal with no war. When me spot the war, me say me have to stay far. Come and tell me where them fighting for. Now come down, General. Yes, man. Why we don't want to take man we want to start? Sin. What do you say? I can't too low the man with the books and the pops. And Dapsy. Yes, Dapsy, man. Ease up, selector. Ease up, man. Hey. Ease to Jericho, you're safe. Yeah. Yes, man. Oh, the mercy.
Call your mama so John.
One cat, me say go on no man. Them me ready me have the man that pattern. With the books and the pants. When you chant them dance, can't turn the flap. She can't say, we talk about the book. We only read, we talk about jazz. To bring it up, a ring chain club. Selection is the fire patient. You want see me say,
you want downtown that a boost, hey. You come Monday that a John, hey.
Wow, Mikey, wow.
So John Boops, oh no call me so
John Boops. How are you introduce Apache the cat man?
Oh no call me so John Boops. Call your papa so John Boops. Oh no call me so John Boops. Call your sister so. You're walking down the road and you hear a talking.
Michael Prophet Showcase and got no time to waste with the art of distinction from the Most High, Ropin Super Cat, live and direct with the one called Boops. He's in a pessimist, he's in a sack.
Catch your billy, y'all want money, do that.
Now across to all the pops them, see? Easy. Play by the king, but I'm celebrating. What's that, Bargy? I say second super cat, I say second no man. He's a super cat because you know you want it done. Anyway you pass through session of a ram. This is super cat, him and the DJ song. Yes, second no cat, I second no man. Easy, Mr. Cat, I say easy no man. We call it, say pops say, him a sting and him a shock. Bim! Say pops say, him the girl, them a flock. Yes, say pops say, him have a force and a cash. Now walk a DNG, him walk a metal box. Yes, he wake up in the morning about 8 o'clock. When him start working right round the clock. When Friday come, him get a force and a cash. Anyway, him stop and him the girl, them a flock. Yes, say pops say, him a sting and him a shock. Yes, say pops say, him have a force and a cash. Him rope in Angela and the one sister pot. And carry them go to Carib, them go bats and relax. And Kentucky chicken, them a eat out a box. Heineken, Guinness and champagne and red top. When them get hungry, yes, them have to buy a stock. She gonna ball, so me put them on the knife socks. Them carry him go and carry him to East. Now we can start the boobs them now, see? Yes. That's all time. Play by the king, but I'm celebrating. Play by the Messiah, the whole wide world.
Malcolm, shut the gate right now.
Yes, he's a super cat, I'm saying he's in a man. He's a pirate because you know you want the dance. He's a pop reggae as a rasta man. It's the one early day I do the operation. We coming on the dance and hold the mic in a me and we call it say Bob's yes, go and go hug him up. Yes, say Bob's yes, go and go love him up. Yes, say Bob's yes, go and go take a set. Yes, say Bob's go give him Mickey on him neck. Yes, say Bob's me say Sharon and jam him out. Yes, say Bob's for me say Pat and jam him out. If the books are take an expansion and response, Mr. Response. Yes. I'm proud of you. Come in, you. Now you can to all the boobs them. I know the boobs is a man never a million girl and no worry pocket man. Second bar shake and you're done. Yeah. Play one day bounce to get around. God of mercy. Yes, second no cat, second no man. Settle up Jack Ruby, settle on my settle Barry, I just settle on my the one sister said that talk about top. Oh, the girl them not Jamaica, they want talk about them bobs. Yes, say bobs there, yes, we gon' go love him up. Yes, say bobs there, yes, we gon' go hug him up. Yes, say bobs there, yes, we gon' go take a set. Yes, say bobs there, go give him a kip on him neck. Yes, say bobs there, Mr. Sharon and yam him out. Yes, say bobs there, Papa and yam him out. Yes, say bobs there. me say, I hit him out. If the boobs are take an expanse, she no response. She no response, me say she no response. Make so every Friday she have the dollars down on. Come take it from the cat him and the ram dance man. So put up your one and if you have your boobs stay. Put up your one and if you have your boobs stay. I don't know have no boobs and me say them not ready. Come listen super cat him and the wild Apache. And listen me say cat me cover on your party. Me call it say boobs the him a sting and him a shock. Yes, say boobs the him have a post and a yes. Girl mag up on your one time man. I make the boy know say you don't tie no man. The man where you live it by your house and land. The boobs are where she love and them we care a million. I'm take it from the cat the you a walk in the yan. You happy and you love it you fi put up your one. And this is super cat that run the microphone stand. East.
Addis Ababa International.
Don't come down, doctor. I cry. Hello. Don't need a DJ try. Selassie. Rastafari. See? No, them style are some revolution style. See? Kinda I can't take the war in the system we are going. I never check up on it. Can't bring you know that you can't take the war. I respect you to Rasta Ping, you see? God a feel it, Reagan was shoot him out. Sick of feel it, Reagan and shoot him out, yes. Sick of feel it, Reagan and shoot him out. It seem like Reagan and stop it, run up him out. And the easy yes, never just up in a shoot out. Now him send so man, no figure him up Libya. God a feel it so man, him a great toucher, eh. Sick of feel it, Reagan and shoot him out, eh. Sick of feel it, Reagan.
Easy, man. Easy, man. You're too rough, man.
Now bring down my father.
Yes, man. Oh, mercy. And them a talk, and them a sing, and them a shout, and run up them out, yes. And them a shout, and them a sing, and them a talk, and run up them out. Me just take me for the left, I can't give away, yes. Never got that, I can't go love him. Put out in tongues, such a love, we couldn't chat because all them a sing, and them a shout, I run up them out.
Well, bring it down, go on the 2-foot table, well. I'm going to tell about some dreadlocks we all for that shape rock. Tackle. Play by the king for left style and brain. Play by the bounce to get around. Play by the much of the whole wide world. Say Ribby Bang King. Say Ribby Bang, Reggae better than them. Say Ribby Bang, Barry console them. Yes, sir, the people say that you want anywhere we pass through a beer problem. Me call it Chip on budget, last come follow me. Chip on budget, yes, Chip on budget, laps. No for them a talk, but them a budget laps. But I still say I got them a mark. No for them a hold in a shape frog. Still a step scope and still a bell trap. No for follow friend and them a eat on the frog. Hold them, beat them badly and trim off them dreadlocks. Lick them out as iron with a barrage of shot. Happy and you love it, you say Jack come down. Easy come down, doc. Yes, man. Rastafari. Where is the whole of you, Junior Cat? I'll bring him for a title next year still, you know. So, and look at Twitch there, right? But you don't know, and the rains are there. But you don't go have to boat me up. See? And I go and make 2 talks, see? And let's go, see? Now what will I say? Don't catch some style of rough set of youth. Along, it is. Rambo, we rough. Tebo wanna talk it up, wanna massive wanna rough it name. Rambo we rough, Rambo we rambo it up. The tranquilize a massive yes them Rambo one rough. The rank 4 you know them Rambo one rough. The pineapple Well, massive, yes, them number one. Rough, trouble them, trouble one. Charge them, dance, massive, them, massive, launch them, launch, take them, break, broad them, broad. I go take a break, they up in the damn camouflage. Don't just take a really be up in the damn camouflage. Don't take a barrage, you up in the damn camouflage. You give it on the radio, so them big and them large. Trouble with trouble one, charge with charge, massive with massive, broad with broad, big as the way big and then the large with large. We sing hello for selector East.
Addis Ababa.
Now I'm bringing Junior the pressure, pull up. I can't take the touch on the side, so when you come in, so last year I know that. Yeah. Now Daddy Ruby wanted up front by the general scene that the brigade said us report. Now cause to all nice Kingston people scene. Yeah. Play the bounce on the way around here.
Make no riot.
Mighty Crucial Michael Prophet.
Look how many wrongs you have done.
Yeah. No, I say. Now we come past patient tone style and don't play. Yeah. Well tight, see. Play bounce on the bear one the hour. Cherry bang, come here, bang, skank. Cherry bang, come here, bang. Cherry bang, come here, bang. Them can't knock quit. Hear me now, none of them can knock quit. Hear me now, them can't knock for we body. Hear me now, we too soft and spongy. Hear me now, and we done big already. Well, watch me now, me call it, come follow me, come follow me, come follow me, come follow me, go on. No say Papa Ruby, yes, him big already. Watch on the girl, them stand up steady. And hold up your man if you want every duty. And mask your man if your man not ready. And hide your face if you're not trash so steady. Watch your ragamuffin on your mic MC. When me with it up, me make you feel irie it name. Hold up your man if you not kill your baby. And mask your man if your man not ready. Ram dance a town, ram dance a country. When me with it up, me make you feel irie.
Wagwan ENT.